Yes, and
I got it holding water.
When you voluntarily engage
This is my little new pond I'm working on.
money,
Gonna make that a waterfall.
I don't buy it.
I got a lot of work to do. This is where I sit on my porch, so I'll be able to see it.
You may still win.
That's my backyard. Well, that's the close.
Does that seem crazy to you?
So this is such a big topic of conversation.
That's my backyard.
Towards the era. And some of you are going to be like, "My God, Clay,
you always send me pictures of your grill cooking on it."
The era where naked photos, sex tapes.
That's mine with the dog blanket hanging on it because Toni thinks that the cat pissed on it.
You are 25 years old.
Anyway,
I bet
that's the
60 or 70% of
way to the
25-year-olds
lake.
today, at some point in time,
Take it down there.
A video or pictures or something that is of a scandalous.
Actually, it's just a canal that goes to the lake. Gosh. Sorry about this bumpy, but I limp. I ain't really caught nothing yet, but you know, I ain't really tried. See ya.